Hey guys, back again with another video of a Michael Kors bag. This time I have the Michael Kors frame out. It's a medium pochette and it's in the color brown. I purchased this bag from Dillard's a while back. And here it is. Like I said, it's a pochette, a medium pochette. So here's the front of the bag. Here's the side. And then here's the back. It has this little bitty pocket. I don't know what you can do with that, but it's there. And there's the other side. And then here is the back. So right here in the front, it does have an opening here. So you can put money or whatever you want in there. And then in the inside, it did come with an extra strap, so that's a plus, because this strap right here does not come off. So once you put that extra strap on, you can have that hanging there, and I think once you put that other strap on there, that'll kind of raise up a little bit, or you can probably tuck it in the inside. But anyway, let me show y'all the inside. And then here's the inside. It just has a pocket right there. So there's the inside. Nice size medium bag, and you probably can stick some sunglasses, a wallet, your little chapstick, your keys and stuff like that in there, and your phone. So that should be enough room for you. Now let me attach these straps on here and see how that to go. And he still make bags like this, so if you're looking for a bag like this, I'm sure you'll be able to find one. So here it is with a strap. Let me see if I can maybe tuck that in there. I don't know. Let me see. Nah, that's not gonna, nah, that ain't gonna do right, because that chain is on there. So I guess once you put the strap on there, it's still So here it is. Scoot that back some. So here it is with the strap. And then that, you can either have this here or you can put it in the back. I don't know, that's kind of annoying that they have that on there. They should have made it to where you can take the little smaller strap off. But there's that. You can wear it like that, or without the other handle, you can just put it and wear it under. You can wear it under your shoulder like that. So however you want to do it. So here it is. Here the bag is. So here's the back part of the bag. And then here's the inside once again. But yeah, this is a pretty neat bag. So I do have it in the signature print. And then I have another one. I have this one right here also. But this one is called the, it just say medium chain pochette in the color acorn. So this is a medium. And then this is supposed to be a medium also. But this one is bigger than this one. But they're both supposed to be medium pochettes. Yeah, that's way bigger. But yeah, here is this one. Like I said, it's in the color acorn. Here's the side. And then this one has, this has a chain. Little chain. And see, this one right here, the chain comes loose right here, but on the other side it doesn't. So you can just take this loose and then attach it over here, and then you can just have it, you know, as like a little wristlet or something like that. So that's cute. And then here's the inside of the bag. It just has a little opening here. And then on the other side, it has 3 credit card slots. So there's that. And this would be cute for, you know, a night out or whatever, hanging with your guy or either hanging with the girls. So super duper cute. But yeah, y'all, a little cute gold chain. I think I would probably wear that as a, probably like a little wristlet. Because I don't know how, let me see. Because this wouldn't fit up under my arm. I wouldn't even try to wear it like that. But yeah, y'all. So here is both of these. Both of these are supposed to be mediums, but clearly that one is a little bit bigger. But they both are cute. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys my 2 pochettes by Michael Kors. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.